In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first project in GoodDay. Let's get started right from the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar with different icons. Look for the plus or add icon in that left sidebar. This is where you go whenever you want to create something new in GoodDay, like tasks, folders, or in this case, a project. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click it, a small menu will pop up with several options. From this list, choose the option labeled Project. If you see multiple similar options, just make sure you select the one that clearly says Project, because that's what will create a new project workspace for you and your team. After you click Project, a new window or panel will open. Here, GoodDay may ask you to confirm that you're creating a project, and in some layouts you might see Project as a type or template you can pick. Again, choose Project to continue. This step ensures GoodDay knows you want a full project structure, not just a task or a sub-item. Next, you'll see a field labeled Select Parent, or something very similar. The parent is basically the folder, workspace, or higher level project where this new project will live. Think of it as choosing the correct home or container so your project stays organized. Click on Select Parent to open a list of available parents. A list or tree of folders, workspaces, or existing projects will appear. Take a moment to browse through and pick the most logical parent for your new project. For example, you might choose a department workspace, a client folder, or a broader program that this project belongs to. Click on the appropriate parent to select it. Choosing the right parent now will make it much easier to find and manage your project later. Once the parent is selected, move to the name field. Click into the area where it asks for the project name and type in a clear, descriptive name. Try to use something that instantly tells you and your team what the project is about, like website redesign, Q2, or marketing campaign launch. A good name makes searching and reporting much easier down the line. When you're happy with the parent and the project name, look for the button that says Submit. This is usually at the bottom of the window. Click on Submit to create your project. After a moment, GoodDay will add your new project under the parent you selected, and you'll be ready to start adding tasks, deadlines, and assignees inside it.